Should come on down here. All right, let's go ahead and do this. Market like it's definitely trying to push lower. Okay, we got filled on the first contract, and we should come on down and push lower. Come on down. Okay, pull back before it pushes lower. I'm on a short because price came up here and hit this high right here. Tested it, made a high, not tested. It made a high here, and then it started moving to the downside, breaking levels to the downside. Come on down. And I am pretty sure. Oh, we're testing. Let me see here. Trying to see if we have a level sitting here. Come on down. Looking for it to come lower. Come on. What's it doing? Oh, it's bouncing off this level right here. I see it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Future Trading with Mike, and once again today I'm trading the Emini S&P 500 futures. Okay, so let's jump right into it. I'm a little late today. It's almost 10:30 now. I did take a little trade earlier this morning before the market, well, not before the market opened up, but it was a short while ago because when I sat down and got in front of my computer, I noticed didn't have my recording up, but I my recorder up and ready to trade. So to start recording the session here, but I saw an opportunity to get in. Let me see what was that, guys. Let's see. Yeah, when price started pushing lower and then started breaking levels back to the upside here. On a pullback right here to this area right here, I waited for some rejection and I took a trade long. Okay, so right now, this morning, let me see where I'm at. Today is the 9th of November. It's Tuesday. And let's see. So right now I'm up 17 ticks off that little trade from the downside. Well, when price started pushing lower and then turned back around, started taking the swings back to the upside, this was the level right here, the confirmed level right here that I waited for price to pull back to, and I took a trade long. Okay, so let's see here. Yeah. Now I'm waiting. Now what I'm doing is trying to, figure out what price is trying to do now, pretty much. Yesterday's price action, the market kind of moved sideways, so we're still kind of in a wedge here, and then price finally broke to the downside. After the market opened up this morning, it continued pushing down. We came down and tested some areas within this swing right here. Okay, this swing level here. So price came down and tested this area of support right here. Okay, which is an area of demand in this area. And if you can't see that, let me show it to you. Rectangle. This area right here, guys. This was your area of demand right here. Area of support. Price bounces out of it, and I'm looking for a trade long. Okay, so now the market is. Give me a second. I'm trying to take a look here. Okay. Let's see. Okay. All right, so we have a little high right here. Price pushed up right here. So let me wait to see what the market's trying to do here. Okay, it's starting to try to move sideways now. So let's wait and see what excuse me, what happens. This was a second retest right here in a sense, off this level, off this area right here. So when price pulled down, rejected this area, and then started taking swings to the downside, pulled back, I went long right here. Price pushed higher. This was a another test in that area, and you wait for the rejection in this area here, guys. So that was another test there. So let's see what happens. So I'm not quite sure what price is going to do here. So okay. So typically what could happen here is you get a little, whoops, let's see. Okay. Okay, I'm going along here. Oh, coming down one tick. Okay, come on, feel me. All right, let's go ahead and get filled here. Come on, test it again. There we go, got filled. Okay, so I waited for price to come back down. There was a little level sitting right here. This is where price was pushing down here. So it swung to the downside, pushed down, pulled back, pushed lower. Okay, then it turned back around, took this area here, the swing here, started taking it back out to the upside. When it came back, I waited for the failure of the rejection here. Yes, let's see here. It didn't quite give us the W, so this is more so like kind of like a V-shaped reversal. It's kind of a funky looking W. You're not always going to get that clearer W picture, guys. I'm going to tell you that now. So, so let's see. Price could actually come back down here. So let's see what happens. It could come back down here. But at this point, I'm not 100% sure. It looks like it's trying to push higher. Okay, so that was that trade there. So let's see. I was up. I think I had 17 ticks. I'm up 26 ticks now. So, okay. Price may try to push higher. We're at the highs now. Ooh, okay. Let's see what happens here. I'm not sure what price is trying to do right here. But we're back up to the highs here. Price didn't, and let's see. Yeah, okay. It did. All right, let's see what happens here. Now, huh. Okay. Price is like it's trying to push higher, right? All right. So we'll just let, the market do what it's going to do right here. Still getting some rejection from the tops, right? Price has not broke and really taken out this high yet. It's kind of, let's see. Yeah. So, see what happens here. 77 and a half. All right. So we have an area of supply sitting here. And prices it pulled back to this area right here. So I'm not sure if this candle is going to close to the upside or downside. Okay, it just closed to the upside. So all right, so price pushed up, pulled higher here. Okay, taking out this little high right here. So we'll just wait to see. And sometimes, guys, I take more aggressive style type trades. I may not wait for that full M or W structure. I'm a very aggressive style trader. But I recommend you guys being conservative if you're actually starting off, and being conservative, looking for that W on the pullback to confirm levels. Follow your 12 range chart, mark your levels, and then wait for price to come back to that level and look for the W structure if you're going long, or M structure from the top if you're going short at a confirmed level. So make sure you identify those levels. Okay. So I'm not sure what price is. We have a low volume area here, so price could be trying to pull. It could try to pull higher. So, excuse me, push higher. There's a little level right here. Yeah, there's a little level right here. So let's see. See what happens here. Little level right here. Let's move to the downside. Pull back, pushing lower. Price came in, taking this area here out. This low right here to the downside out. So, okay. Let's see. Okay, I'm long just for a quick scalp, guys. Come on. This is going to be for a very quick scalp. Price can come a little lower though. So I'm long. Maybe a little too early here. But I'm just going for a quick little scalp. Should wait for price to come back down to this area right here. At around, okay, we just got filled there on a little 4-tick scalp. Okay. So I think that should give us about 30 ticks now. Yeah, 30 ticks. I'll show it to you guys. I'm up 30 ticks. That was a quick little scalp. Just price coming back down here to the high right here. It can come a little lower though. So, but hold on a second. Let me see something. Let's see. Okay, price did come right there. So, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna wait to see what price does right here. Gonna wait. Gonna hold out. So if we look to see what happened, okay, so let's take a look at the overall market structure here, okay? When price pushed up on the fourth right here, right, pulled back and it pulled higher, it came back down and it tested this area of support right here. Okay, this area of demand right here. Okay, this is where a lot of buying took place. Market push higher, it comes back. Okay, market rejects out of this area here. Okay, which was a nice move. Okay, a nice move right here. All right, so then it pushes higher. Okay, but it did not come up here and take the high out. Okay, from when it pulled back, it didn't come back up here and take the high out. So when price comes back, let's see, down, okay, this morning to retest this area, it broke right through it. I mean, it broke through it to the downside because it didn't make a higher high. You see what I'm saying? So when price pulled back, it didn't make a higher high. So when price came back this morning and started pushing to the downside and started testing this area of, we had this area of demand at price, or in support at price, just it pushed through it because it didn't make a higher high. So had it done that, made a higher high and come back and retraced back to this area again, you know, I possibly would have been looking for maybe a long entry somewhere right here, but it just broke right through it. And you got to be able to read the market to be able to see that. Okay, so let's see what the market's trying to do here, because let me take a look at one thing. Okay. So, yeah. Okay, I'm long just for a quick little scalp. Let's see, 81. Okay. Yeah. There we go. Quick little scalp. I saw price rejecting this area here, and I went in for the kill on the scalp there. Okay, so that was probably about 6 little ticks right there, and that's pulling back to the highs. Yeah, 36 ticks now. 36. Okay, so that's pulling back to the highs right here. Okay, price may come up and test this high volume area back up at 82 again. So we'll see. I'm not sure if it will because to 100% because we have area, a small little micro level here with this area of resistance right here. So okay. So let me see here what price is trying to do. Okay, so nothing yet, but yeah, that's what happened is, in looking at the market, when the market pushed lower, I was looking at that. So I was kind of looking at the overall structure where price pushed up, pulled back, testing the area of support here, and then it pushed higher, but it couldn't break this. It could not come up here and take out this high right here. So started moving sideways. When it got down here, I said, oh, price is more than likely going to push lower, and it did. Okay, taking out this low right here. So all they did was, what the institutions did was come down here and collect that liquidity in that area right there where price couldn't push higher. They came back down there and took that money there. And at some point they pushed lower, testing another area of support here, and another area of support, and they just turned the market back around and pushed it higher. So just tested another area of support. So this was the level right here. Okay, I think I already showed you guys this, but this was the level right here. Okay, this area right here. Price pushed up from here. Within this swing here, we had some swings within it. Pushed up, pulled back, pushed higher. Price retraced back to it. You could have went long right here. Back up to this little high right. Hold on 1 second. Yes, back up to this little high right here. Price pushes up. Eventually it comes back down and it retests that area. Let's see. This is, yeah, it retests this area here, and then market turns back around. So, all right. Okay, so let's close that out. Okay. So there was rotation and rejection in this area right here. So when price pushed higher, okay, I waited for price to come back right here, and I went long. So price is struggling to push higher at this point. I'm not saying it can't push higher, but as of right now, it's struggling to push higher. Because we have we've got a lot of resistance right here. I'm not saying that it cannot push higher, guys. Okay, so what time was that? 10:39 was 10:42. Okay, that was at 81. Okay, price pulls back. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, all right. So yeah, you could take it along right here. Okay, this was price pushed up, pull back, push higher, taking out this high right here, and price pulls back to the high, which is this level, which is this area right here. Okay, you wait for the rejection. Okay, all right. Price pulls back to this area. Okay, retraces back, pushes higher, pulls back, breaks higher. And you can actually go along, but if you take it right here at the top of this little, we'll probably take this area here out, you're going to be too late on the trade more than likely. So, yeah, so price is already testing the highs now. So, let's see. We could get a pullback to, I'm not sure if price is going to pull back to this area or not. Let's see. Okay. Okay. So now, all right. Yeah, you'd have been late if you'd have done that. So, so you gotta take the trade was when the price would trace back here, guys. Trying to take a trade or looking for a W here at the tops almost will be a little difficult because you have resistance right above you. So trying to do that, you'd be kind of risky there. Not saying you couldn't profit in taking something if you'd have went long here, but you'd have been, been for a quick little couple ticks. And I'm not taking a trade right there at the tops. So when I say tops, I'm right here at the high volume area and taking trade right at the high volume area. Now when the price pulled back right here, now this would have been probably, a short little scalp going back to the tops right here, maybe 4 or 5 ticks. But, it's a little iffy right there. So, all right, so main price is trying to break higher now. So price could, let's see, we got a little volume area above it. So price could actually break above and pull higher. So let's see, we got a little swing level right here, right? Okay. So let's see if price, now we're within this swing now to the downside. Price pushes down, pulls back, and pushes lower. So we're in this swing now. Within this swing here, we have, when I say swing, I'm talking about this major area right here. The swing, whoops. This major area right here, the swing right here, okay? There's within this swing, there's swing within that swing. So we have a little swing right here. All right, now I'm trying to, what is price trying to do? Okay, just made a little higher high here, but I'm not sure. Let's see what price does here. 1.25. That's right there. Okay. All right. So, let's see. I'm waiting. All right, so price came up here. I made a high here, and then it broke. It's breaking lower right now. So it's going to test this area right here. Yeah. Okay. So it's coming back down to this area right here and testing this area again. Okay. Yeah, so I'm going to wait for, Gonna wait for price to see the price pushed up here, pulled back, and pushed higher. I think I got into a trade, I believe, right here, right here. Okay, now price is pushed higher, it's pulling back to this area again. So I'm trying to see what price is. Okay, I'm long. I know price can test this area here. 80 3/4. 81.5. Okay. 81 3/4. Come on up. Come on. We'll do this. Okay, come on. Push up. It's bouncing there. There we go. Just got filled there. Okay. So I saw the reject. So price pushed higher here. Pushed up, pulled back, pushed up. Okay. Came back to this high right here. Okay. There was an entry to go long. Price pushes higher. Then it comes back to this area again. Okay. And you look for the rejection and take the entry. So let's see. Okay. So here it is right here. Let me show you. You could have waited for this W formation if you paid attention to right here when price pulled back originally. I don't even want to draw it like that from the top. So let's do it like this. Right here. This one price pulled back to the level, okay? To the area. Okay? Pushes up, pulls back, pushes higher. You wait for price to come back and test this area down here because this is where price started pushing higher started pushing higher. So basically price coming back to the W, you wait for it to come back there and then take the entry long. So when the price pulls back to the W, within the W, you look for the failure and you go long. That's pretty much what I do. Uh-oh. Nope, don't want to do that. Okay. All right, so let's see, price coming up here and test 81.5. All right, let's see, did not break this area here. So price pushes up and pulls back. I may take a little entry. These are trading micro levels now, so off the bounce from this area right here of support. That area of support I'm talking about is right here. Okay, but looking at things now, the price breaks below 46.77, guys, I'm going short. I'm gonna be flat out honest with you. Price breaks below that area there, I will be taking a short. Okay. What did I say? 46.77.5. All right, so we didn't break the 46.77.5 area right here, so price might kind of move sideways here. I want to see if it's going to break. Give me a second. Let me see here. What's it trying to do here? Can we just make a little low there? Yeah, I'm going to wait, see what price is going to do. Yes, I'm waiting to see what price is going to do, guys. Not 100% sure what it's doing here. When you don't know what price is doing, you stand down. Okay. Let's see. At least for me anyway. This could have been a pull. Let's see. Price broke down here. Pull back. Okay. Yeah, these are pullback entries. Shorts. Pullback entry shorts, guys. Going short. Let's see here. What is the market trying to do? Should come on down here. All right, let's go ahead and do this. Market luck is definitely trying to push lower. Okay, we got filled on the first contract, and we should come on down and push lower. Come on down. Could pull back before it pushes lower. I'm on a short because price came up here and hit this high right here, or tested it, made a high, not tested, it made a high here, and then it started moving to the downside, breaking levels to the downside. Come on down. And I am pretty sure, we're testing. Let me see here. Trying to see if we have a level sitting here. Come on down. Looking for it to come lower. Come on. What's it doing? Oh, it's bouncing off this level right here. I see it. I'm gonna go ahead and take out this trade right here. Oh yeah, it's coming on down now. I see it. Okay. Yeah, I didn't see that at first. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna come down here and test this area. All right, so that was a successful trade. Short. Short. All right. Okay, now price is let's see. Let's take a look at the 12 range. This is the my chart that I pay the most attention to. This is my important chart. Man. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Price is pushing lower. Come on down, buddy. All right. It's coming back down here to this area, this level right here. This area of support we have. Okay. Hmm. We also have something right here. All right. Okay, let's see. Um, let's see. I'm not sure what price is going to do here. It's pulling back to some areas of support. And price is trying to push lower. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Let's see. What are you doing, buddy? Pull back. Come on now. Yeah, we're trying to go. It's trying to go higher. 44.75. Come on. Ah, come on up there. Should push higher. Yeah, I should have waited for the pullback. Taking a trade from the highs at the tops up here. I'm pretty sure it's going to. I'm pretty confident it's going to push higher though. We could pull back first before pulling higher. Yeah, taking a trade, trading from the tops. Wait for the pullback. Come on. I hit my first profit target and bounced off of it. There we go. Push up. Go ahead and there we go. Got filled. All right. I taken wait on the pullback. I was waiting for the I'm not waiting, but I took the trade to the tops. I saw yes, price is gonna test this area right here. Um so price came back down to this area right here, right? We have support sitting there, of course. Right here, there's support. Okay, there's also a small level here when price pulled down, it broke back to the upside, taking this swing area right here out. Okay, came back and tested it, pushed higher, and now it's come back down to test it. So that area I'm talking about is right here. Got to be able to see stuff like this, right here. Okay, when price broke above that red line right there. Okay, right here, the price came back and retraced back to the area, the level from the 12 range chart. Okay, and it rejected this area. It didn't give you a clean W formation. But if you kind of looked at it, it's kind of funky looking. It looked more so something like that W is not always going to line up and be, this was it right here. First leg of it pushes up, retraces back, pushes higher. On a pullback to this area here, to this W pretty much right here, you could have went long, and that's what I did. All right. So, That W is not always going to be perfect and come all the way back down. Price may not always come back down to this area right here, okay? All right, so you gotta, that's why I kind of look for W formations or M formations and take the trade on the rejection back to the W. Meaning once this candle here closed, I went long. Now there's a possibility it could have came back down here, all right, to this area right here, or maybe even lower, but I took the trade knowing that it was going to come back up and test this area here. And the thing I look at too is this right here. And looking at the market structure. When price came lower, right, and then it broke back to the upside, okay, it took out this little swing here, it made a high here, it pulled back, all right. So this was the area for me to stop to possibly go long at. It pushed higher, okay, pushed higher, okay. It came back down to this area again, to be honest with you, and kind of tested it. Then it pushed higher again. So it kept making higher highs before it came back and tested this area again, which told me that as the market was making higher highs, if it retests this area here, the probability of going long again was on my side. So that's why I went long. Okay. All right, guys, that's all I'm gonna do as far as right now. Trading. I want to say this too. I forgot to mention this in the beginning part of the video. In today's topic, kind of in a sense, what I wanted to talk about, guys, is this right here. How can you learn and start trading, or where can you learn and kind of start trading from? The key to things is kind of, first of all, what I highly recommend is reading material, or starting with fundamentals of trading. Then moving on to technicals of trading, and then understanding, being able to books on price action and things like that, references on price action, even videos will help. But fundamentals, technical analysis, understanding price action, anything covering market analysis, being able to, or how to read the market, or better ways to read the market, or how to read a chart. Those type things will help you understand and put you in gear into the right position to learn what you need to learn to look at your charts and understand what the market's trying to do. That's the key. A lot of people kind of follow or piggyback off of other people joining, I guess, kind of trading rooms or chat rooms or info rooms or whatever you want to call them. Where people give you call signals, or give you, like I said, give you signals to trade at. I don't trade that way, guys. I don't trade that way. I'm not saying from the beginning when I first started trading, everybody gets caught in maybe learning the wrong way, possibly, unless you find someone good that really shows you the right ropes, or you've spent a lot of time researching yourself, which I did after learning that following other individuals and didn't work out for me. I had to learn this on my own. I had to learn from myself. I had to learn the correct way, and that's fundamentals and technicals and being able to read the market. Once you're able to read the market, then you can clearly understand what the market's trying to do. That's what I'm trying to say. So, but yeah, just make sure that when you've been starting your venture and learning how to trade, make sure you have the tools to do so. I talk about a lot of different things in my videos pertaining and surrounding trading, but guys, you just can't jump headfirst into something without understanding the market. When I say the market, what moves the market? Why does it move the way it does? Who's driving the market? You got to understand these things. Some people just think they can just jump right into something and learn without. You got to do your homework. You got to do your research. And first of all, you want to know why things are happening, and that's my thing. It's like when I first started trading, I wanted to know, why is the market doing this? Who's driving the market, and that's those are the individuals I want to be trading like. So that's the key to it. And then once you kind of brought those things together, then you have to figure out a strategy that works, of trading that works best for you. So But that's all I have for this video, guys. I appreciate everyone for watching the videos and subscribing. Those who have already subscribed to the channel and liking the videos, I appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, and please take the time to go ahead and subscribe because, you know, I have tons of videos on the channel. There's content, and I'll continue making content like this. And I have nothing to sell. I just want to be able to. I'm posting these videos for free to maybe they help someone. That's all. That's bottom line. So, see you guys in the next video. If it's trading, please stay safe in the market and make sure that you take smart trades. Okay? Till then, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care.